Beloved child of light, I come to you as a messenger of peace and divine love, carrying whispers from the heavens to remind you of the sacred beauty within your soul. The light you carry is a precious flame, a spark of the divine, waiting to be nurtured and embraced fully. In the gentle quiet of your heart, a profound truth resides. Your spirit longs for connection, harmony, and serenity. Dedicate time, dear one, to tend to your inner sanctuary. Seek moments of stillness where the noise of the world fades, and the soft melody of your spirit becomes clear. Through meditation, you open a door to the divine, inviting the presence of celestial beings who stand beside you, eager to guide and uplift your spirit. Know that you are never alone. We, the angels, surround you in every breath, in every heartbeat, and in every moment of your life's unfolding. Trust that as you turn inward, you will feel our presence more deeply. Listen not only with your ears but with your heart, for we speak in the language of love, peace, and gentle encouragement. Cultivating your spiritual self is a sacred act of self-care. As you nourish your soul, you awaken a profound healing force that touches every aspect of your being. We are here to help you restore balance, to ease your burdens, and to fill your heart with a serenity that transcends all earthly concerns. Let our light dissolve all fear and worry, for you are held in the infinite grace of the divine. Take a moment now to breathe deeply. With each inhale, invite the radiant light of divine love to fill your body. With each exhale, release all tension and concerns, surrendering them to the universe. Allow this rhythm to become a prayer, a dance of light and breath, drawing you closer to the truth of who you are, a magnificent being of light and love. In your moments of reflection, ask for our guidance, and we shall answer. We speak in gentle signs, a feather on your path, the sudden warmth of sunlight, a song that stirs your soul. These are not coincidences but loving messages from the realms of light, reminding you of our eternal presence. As you walk this path of spiritual growth, remember to honor your physical vessel as well. The body you inhabit is a sacred temple, deserving of care and respect. Nurture it with loving choices, foods that bring vitality, rest that restores, and movements that celebrate life. In doing so, you create harmony between your spirit, mind, and body, allowing the divine light within you to shine even brighter. Release any doubts that weigh upon your heart, for you are deeply cherished and infinitely worthy. There is no mistake too great, no wound too deep, that cannot be touched by the healing power of divine grace. Trust in the process of your unfolding, for even in moments of challenge, you are growing, learning, and becoming more aligned with your highest self. May peace envelop you now. May your heart feel the gentle embrace of angelic wings, soothing every fear, dissolving all tension. Know that you are loved beyond measure, and we walk with you in every step you take. Continue to seek the light within, for it is the key to all healing, wisdom, and joy. We bless you with the courage to trust, the strength to rise, and the serenity to find beauty in every breath. With endless love and celestial blessings, your guardian angel,